Hello friends, welcome to my channel Diaries of Beginners. Today I'm going to install new broadband, Virgin Media broadband. They offered me cheaper than my previous provider. So this is 18-month contract. They agreed to give me 23 pound per month. I seems I think it's better than the previous one. Previous one was 26 pound per month. So let's open the box. Hi Daniela. Virgin Media is in the box. Fancy a quick 50 pounds. Refer your friend to Virgin Media and to say thanks. We will treat you 50 pounds. So if you refer any of your friends, they will give you and your friend 50-pound treat. So this is the installation guide and other instructions. So this is Ethernet cable and isolating cable. Okay, and this is the main thing. This is the hub. So CCPC, here is your password, and your username and password. Okay, and what else? So yeah, phone connection and adapter. All right, what else, Daniela? What else? Yeah, and this is uh, power connection. All right. Okay, let's connect the broadband, Daniela. Let's connect. Okay, Daniela and myself are going to connect the broadband now. Okay, let's connect the isolating cable to the wall socket. Okay, isolator cable is connected to wall socket. The other end is going to be connected to the hub. So it is easy to find out which part is going in the wall socket and which one is going to hub, because it's clearly written there in the cable. Then just going to connect the hub. Just press. No need to rotate or screw this one. Then another thing, we are going to connect to the power connection. Just connect here the power. Yeah, let's switch it on. Yeah, then make sure that your hub is in upright position. Turn on the power. Okay, so on the hub switch as well. There is one switch. Yeah, so already blinking. So waiting for the connection. The base light should be a white light, and there will be Wi-Fi connection sign as well. Still is waiting for the connection. Still searching for the connection. Yeah, Wi-Fi's green signal is there, but the base light is blinking green. That should be solid white. So as per the manual book, it says wait for 30 minutes. Within 30 minutes there will be internet connection. At the moment there is no internet connection. Want to connect your telephone, you can connect here. In addition, Ethernet connection, there are spaces, a lot of spaces, 1 2 3 4 plug for connecting Ethernet connection. Hello friends, I think this may help you when you connect Virgin Media Internet. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.